Hello again, this is Jim from Tech Buzz. I'm just going to give you a look at the menu on this. It's pretty hard to see because it's pretty small, but this is what happens when you have it plugged in. You do have a little LED here to tell you have power in it, and as I showed you earlier on, we have our 4 keys here for our options. So this is our main menu key up here, and you have 2 sub menus up on top, as you can see, and one will bring you to the camera itself. So the first menu brings you to your resolution, and you use these keys to toggle up and down like so. So you have your G sensor here, your date and time stamp there, and back here then you've date and time to set, auto power off, your screensaver, your beep sound, and you also have language, lens flip, frequency which is 50 or 60 hertz, and format is to format the card, and then you've default settings and version of software. So it's pretty simple to use, and it's just going to be interesting to see exactly how it will pick up footage on the go and what it will come across like when it's downloaded onto your laptop or PC. If you just imagine a pen there, as you can see there, it's going to be very hard to test indoors really, but outdoors will be the ultimate viewing order and seeing how it comes back. So that's really about it, and it's pretty simple to use, pretty simple to set up. You can set the date and time pretty simple, it's pretty straightforward, and then you've just your menu here to press it twice and use these keys to toggle, and just screensaver will also tell you if you want to leave it off 3, 5, 10 minutes, and we just leave it off for now. You've auto powered off. Your beep sound is just an on and off option there. Your date and time, as I said, is pretty simple to set up. You'll just use this to toggle across and press OK to enter, and it'll bring you down onto the next line. So there's nothing too complicated about it. You won't need too much technical skills. So we'll just press OK there. OK, as you can see, you'll just be brought down through the list until you're finished, and you'll then be able to continue on from where you were. And as I said earlier on, you have frequency there, which is 50 or 60 hertz, and format is just for your card, so you've cancelled and OK. Lens flip is the next one up, like so. So you can just flip the lens. So if we go back up, then we have language, and the language is just English, and then we have lots of other stuff. We France, Dutch, Spanish, Polish, I presume, and just a couple of basic languages there. So that's really it. Simple enough, and it will be simple to set up. No technical knowledge required, but as I said, stay tuned for a review coming soon. Looking forward to seeing what the actual footage comes out like on our computer when we transfer it from this onto the computer, and see what it's like. So again, it doesn't come with a USB card, but you can take one out of your old one if you have one and work from there. So that's it. Stay tuned for more coming soon on the Conbrov World's Smallest Starlight Dashcam. We'll talk to you soon.